yun yung papatry ko sa'yo.
Amazing. Kaya nga nung na-message ako, sabi ko,
Kinonfirm mo. Sabi ko, nung kinonfirm ko, na lumalaki na ako. Sabi ko, hindi na bad. We just want you to try our services. Kaya gusto namin magpunta ka dito. So,
Uy, tanano, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Iloy Seasoning Wear in Pampanga. Ayos siya, way setup ko, ha? Ngayon nga doon ngayon, at kami kining Rejuva, bala mo aesthetic clinic ya kining Pandan. It's located at Yard Complex. Kita dating Yard Food Park along Pandan Road yan mo. So we are privileged to be here, invited by Ma'am JC Parker, actually in Burida. So maging endorser tamo. Kaya sa atin tamong wala mong privilege and services every week. Kumbaga, yung first, kahit tamo endorser hanggang balo yun yung bili, mana ba? So, ring services tamo kayo ni. Itang pampasanting kayo. Hinggawan da ka kung yun is itang lotera, aman doon. And then, syempre, bandakata na apangan kayo. And di ako makapundang gym. Itang RF lipocavitation, ito naman yung subukan tamo kayo ni. So, it's gonna be a long transformation period. Be with me po. We're gonna have like every week update. Ngayon pa mo. Screenshot ko na yung lupa ko po ito. Lati na yan kanyan. Anyway, again guys, please be with us. We're gonna feature their services today. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun today. So yun, bago natin gawin yung mga services dito, of course, we are privileged to have Miss JC Parker. Thank you so much po for inviting us.
yes, it's our honor. It's actually our pleasure to have you guys here.
Tell us more about Rejuva po. What are our services? I see some products po you also have here. So
Yes.
yeah, tell us more about it po.
Rejuva Skin Clinic, actually ang main branch nito nasa Timo. It is owned by Miss R.R. Enriquez and we're partners.
Okay.
So parang branch niya to. They have 4 branches already. Meron sa Cavite, 2 sa QC. Tapos ito yung pang-apat. Marami kaming services from nails, Gluta Drip, Gluta Dextrose, Gluta ID Push, lahat meron kami nun. Tapos, we do have our products, our own products. Meron kaming Oxy Bleach, sunblock, toners, soaps, kompleto kami dyan.
Yes.
And of course, it's called Crystal Premium White Glutathione.
Alright.
So, I'll give you one
Okay.
para matry mo siya kasi
Sige,
super
sige.
effective itong product na to.
So how do we use it?
You drink 1 in the morning and 1 at night
Okay.
if you want to get white. Actually, yung gluta talaga para siya sa liver natin.
Yeah.
If you drink,
Yeah.
then you have to maintain yourself
Yeah.
with glutathione.
Yeah.
Tapos yung side effect niya kasi is yung nakakaputi siya.
Correct.
So you have to drink at least 2 capsules a day para mas mabilis yung whitening effect niya if you wanna take that.
Yeah, that's gonna be useful for me.
Yes, maganda tong Crystal Premium White Glutathione.
Wow.
So it's halal certified and yung FDA niya malapit na rin lumabas.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Alright.
So that's
Okay.
yours na. You drink it and then you give me a feedback after a
Super
week or
excited.
2.
Yeah. Okay. Tell us more about naman po yung services na we're gonna have for today. For me. Yeah.
Okay, so ngayon, papatry namin sa'yo yung Luthera V-Shape.
Okay.
It's a non-surgical facelift.
Okay.
Mas maganda siya talaga dun sa mga tao na medyo may edad na.
Aha.
Kasi yung mga may wrinkles, tapos yung medyo saggy lang
May-
yung skin. Yun talaga siya para sa kanila.
Okay.
But in the same time, nakakapayat siya ng face. Nakakain siya kasi
Okay.
nililit niya yung face mo.
Yes.
So, yun yung papatry ko sa'yo.
Amazing. Kaya nga nung na-message ako, sabi ko,
Kinonfirm mo. Sabi ko, nung kinonfirm ko, na lumalaki na ako. Sabi ko, hindi na bad. We just want you to try our
Correct,
services.
correct,
Kaya gusto
correct.
namin magpunta ka dito. Tapos, we'll let you try our RF at saka cavitation. For the body naman siya. Slimming siya ng body.
Correct.
Lalo na ngayon, summer, perfect siya. Yung cavitation, you can do that every 3 days. Yung RF, pwede mo every day. Pero usually, mga clients namin, twice a week na
Twice a
ginagawa
week.
yun. Or pwede once a week, depende sa inyo.
Yes.
But for me, talagang effective siya. Kasi meron kaming mga clients dito na after 6 sessions nila ng RF, yung waistline nila from 28, nagiging 27.
Yeah. An inch at
oo,
least.
kumbaga meron siyang result talaga.
Okay.
Tapos, we'll let him try the carbon facial. We'll do the muna, yung signature facial namin. After that, yung charcoal facial.
Okay.
So, yung charcoal facial, para siya sa mga may pigmentation sa face, may discoloration.
Yeah.
So, whitening siya sa face at the same time, naka-close din siya ng pores. Tapos, you don't see the effect right away. It will take you about 5 days for you to see yung effect. Pero you have to do it at least 6 sessions para makita mo talaga yung magandang effect ng
Yes.
charcoal facial. So, So, yun yung ano. Tapos yung isa pa naming famous facial dito is yung Agas facial.
Okay.
Whitening din yun.
Okay.
So, the next time you come back, I'll let you try that. Kasi hindi pwedeng sabay
Yes.
with the Luthera.
Okay. Are you excited for that? There you go. Okay.
Wala talagang boses.
Okay. Ma'am JC, please invite our Kabalens.
Sa lahat po ng mga Kabalendrans, lahat ng Kapampangan all over Pampanga at
Yeah.
sa mga kalapit na syudad ng Pampanga, please do come visit us here in Rejuva Skin Clinic. Dito po ito sa Yard Complex in Magalang Pandan Road, corner meaning Angeles City, Pampanga. Kung gusto niyo magpaganda, magpa-fresh, yan, come visit us. Hindi lang po siya pambabae, pati sa lalaki. Like for example, ako gustong-gusto ko when men takes care of themselves.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi lang naman babae ang kailangan nag-aalaga sa sarili nila. Kailangan pati yung mga lalaki. So,
Very good.
come visit us and I'm sure you're gonna like our services. Kasi top of the line ng services namin dito.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. But before we go with your services, kailangan mo munang tanggalin yan.
Okay. So,
Kasi hindi effect yung ano natin, yung...
shave muna ako, guys.
Yan. Mag-shave ka muna.
See you in a while. Alright, shaving done. Okay, so this is me after the procedure. So what can you say, guys? Stig, di ba? A little about the experience. So you're definitely gonna feel some parang tingling pain, ganun. Parang sensation siya. Right after that, mapapansin nyo na may pagbabago na talaga siya. Ang ganda ng pakiramdam ko right after nung cavitation and yung RF something, I forgot, pero super. So yun, it's gonna be a long-term transformation, sabi nga ni Ma'am JC. So we would like to thank Rejuva for this kind of experience. It's gonna be a rare experience for us. And yun, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this with your friends. Magpalago kayo po, kinin na kayo po Rejuva. Till our next discovery. Bye. Yun, so thank you Ma'am JC.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Yeah, we'll see you again.
Yes,
Thanks
next
for the
week.
experience. Bye guys.
Balik kayo. Bye-bye.